Have you ever wondered what happens when your body becomes too acidic? Acidosis occurs when the body's pH drops, making it more acidic. There are two main types: metabolic acidosis and respiratory acidosis. Metabolic acidosis can arise from increased acid production or decreased acid excretion. Symptoms include rapid breathing, confusion, and abdominal discomfort. The body compensates through hyperventilation and cusmal breathing. On the other hand, respiratory acidosis happens when lungs can't remove enough carbon dioxide. Causes include respiratory center depression and lung disorders. Symptoms can include headaches, restlessness, and blurred vision. Renal compensation helps by eliminating hydrogen ions and retaining bicarbonates. Understanding acidosis is crucial for recognizing serious health issues. So, what do you think happens when the body's pH balance is disrupted?